Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of this series. So today we will be seeing about how to write a Verilog code with a test bench and verify it with a test bench for a NOT gate using data flow model. So let's see how we can write. So as always, first we have to declare the module and a module name. It should be not NOT, means it should not be this keyword because it is already there in the Verilog. So instead of that, you can change it to something else. So there will be basically one input and one output. So input A and output is B. So now we have to write the assign statement. Assign our output is Y, sorry, not B. Y equal to, what is a NOT gate? So NOT gate is basically an inverter. Like if we give input as 0, it will be give output as 1, and vice versa. Like if we give input as 1, output will be 0. So this is the symbol for our NOT gate. So inversion of A, and we have to end the module. So now we will see how to write a test bench for this to verify whether our written code is correct or not. So let's write the test bench. So as always, module tb, we have to give as wire input as wire and register as output. Sorry, register as input, register wire of y. So initial begin. Before that we have to call our module, not one, or you can give any name like user friendly name, n1 a comma y. So we have to write initial begin. So as you can see, the main keywords are in orange color and all the other things are in blue color. So make sure that you don't write any keyword in some of the cases where you don't require. So initial begin, we have to write a $dump file. What should be our name? not.vcd and dump vars to dump our variables. Dump 0 comma tb. So now we have to write the monitor statement. $monitor. Here we have to write $time to know at what time scale what is it now. A equal to percentage b, y equal to percentage b. So now let's write the input. First we'll give our input as a equal to 0, and after 10 unit of time we will give a equal to 1, and after another 10 unit of time we will end our simulation. End module. So let's see our code. Let's first make sure you have selected, like, where is the tools, open EPA form and Icarus Verilog. Now let's run the code. Not defined by any module. Okay, spelling mistake. So here we have came across a error, spelling error, typo error mistake. So you can easily clear it. So here is our EP waveform for the following code. So as you can see, till tail 10 nanosecond or time scale, whatever you have given, we can see that A is 0 and Y is 1. It is inverting the input. Similarly here, after 10, you can see that A is 1, Y is 0. So this is how a NOT gate works. So, I don't know what is here the error. Okay. We have forgot to mention like A comma Y. So make sure you write it completely. Don't forget like me. So as you can see here, it is at 0 time scale, A equal to 0, Y equal to 1. So that's all for this video.